Ah, man, every time, like, oh, I'm gonna get live before 10 a.m. It just never happens. Okay, let's see. How are we looking? Where's my stuff? So X, Twitch, YouTube. So Twitch is looking live. Nice. We got audio. Uh, go live on YouTube, and we got audio. Yes, we have audio. I don't have desktop audio. Cool. Ooh, got some mic cut. Weird. Yeah. I think I still need to tune this stupid thing. Thought a SM7 SM7B would be a good idea, and I still don't have the gating right on it. I don't think. I don't know. Kind of annoying. Uh oh, there. Nice. So we're just gonna. Apparently, yeah, the AI bubble is popping. Just gonna talk about that. Hey, there we go. Live here as well. You know what? Let's do that. Let's see. Let's see. You are live. Brands, automations, AI bubbles. See if we can capture some traffic through that. Yeah, nothing on X yet, but yeah, we'll see. It was funny actually. Somebody sent me an article yesterday, so I was gonna look at that a little bit. The AI bubble is so big, it's popping. Oh, it's propping up the U.S. economy for now. Yeah, pretty crazy. I'm guessing. I don't know. Yeah. Can I show this? Is this on? Is this a? Wait, is this Substack? Oh, it is Substack. It's just branded. Oh, that's fancy. Cool, cool, cool. Okay. What am I doing? We're doing stuff today. I do need to build in public today, so at least I need to do a little bit of automating. So I have a goal. We have a goal for Monday.com, and then I don't know. We can get sidetracked to other stuff. So probably won't be a super super long stream. Probably like the ongoing joke. Quick stream today. Quick stream today. Okay. What's I doing here? So check that everything was good. Uh, staring into the void. Yeah. Okay. I think we're live on everything for now. I still haven't upgraded to hitting LinkedIn, and I need to actually. I can't even stream to TikTok yet. I think I have to like post some videos on there, which I'm still working on. So that was also something I was debating, working on today as well. So we'll see. But yeah, man, that'd be great. Stream to Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, get all the bases covered. Ooh, yeah. Then it was also that was a debate of putting Xbox in my title just to see if that would drive more X traffic. Because I feel like the other day, I think it was on Monday, I was getting a ton of X traffic. I think just because I had put like Alex Hermosi in there, and drive stars, streaming talk shows and podcasts, building public. Nice. There we go. Drive stars. That sounds familiar. I feel like I've seen you on here before, right? Uh, Thank you for stopping by. Where's my channel? How do I see my channel? There we go. There we go. Also, this man, sometimes it's like, oh, there we go. Okay, nice. Hey, drive stars. Oh, my chat overlay is being weird. Uh, there we go. All right, how's it going, man? 3 stream. Very nice. Yes, 3 stream. Very nice. Appreciate the consistency. that's awesome. Yeah, well, I was gonna go through school stuff a little bit. Oh, getting some activity, some school activity I probably can't show on here yet. Could probably show some of it. What's going on? What's going on? Oh, nice. Getting a DM. Can I mark as unread? Want to make sure that I keep track. Oh yeah, cool. I can't mark as unread. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, cool. I can chat with that guy. Happily answer his question. Third stream. That's awesome. Third repeat. Thanks for coming back. What brings you back? What are you looking for? All right. Yeah. So school community. I was gonna. I don't know. I mean, it's probably fine, but I don't want to like. In case people care about messaging and stuff, I don't want to show their messages if they care. And yeah, same with these. I guess don't want to give away people's paid content. Don't want them to be mad about that. But I was gonna see where we're at activity wise. Starting to get my activity average up, which is good. Trying to become a real pro schooler. I'm already on my profile. So yesterday I had 59. So I gotta setting the bar high here. So school activity from, just to double check, 59 was the 19th yesterday. So yeah, drag that down to the 19th. 59 activities. Not bad. That should bring up the average a little bit, right? Yeah. Give it a second. 19. All right. We're hitting a 20, hitting the 20 average. We're slowly bringing up that average. Just gotta either gotta keep them really high or keep it consistent. Because if I miss a day, like I missed a Sunday here, my Sundays are always when I start to slack off a little bit. So we gotta keep the activity high on Sunday too. First thing in the morning, hit all the activities, and we're good. But this one's probably been my highest priority. I think YouTube. I do need to get a YouTube video going this week, so that also will be part of it. Oh man, I think that might be the hack. I think putting the right the right topic on here will get some X traffic. We got 5 views. Yeah, got a SEO. Who would have thought? SEO is maybe the play there. YouTube probably not as much. Way too many tabs open. You don't even know, PETA. I have another window open with more tabs, 2 more windows open with more tabs. So we can go to the next level if you want. We can go way higher. But thank you for your contribution. Thank you for coming in and giving your opinion. I appreciate it. We're here for the engagement. That's all. All right. So school activities marked. I was actually debating doing another sheet here for just tracking all my stats. Nice. Yeah, exactly. That's right. Yeah, you're back to sleep mode now, right? With your desktop, keeping track of or trying to keep it under control. I feel like my microphone's like not close not close enough, I guess. I don't know. Okay. So what else is next? We've got YouTube stuff. Look at the YouTube numbers. YouTube channel. 839. Yeah, that's awesome. It was just 8. I don't know. I feel like that's climbing. I feel like that was more than we had yesterday. So I will take that. Is the OpenAI transcribe this audio node the same as Whisper, or is using a different model? Want to preferably use the API, but my transcription output seems different to the Whisper one. No timestamps, etc. Okay. AI transcribe this audio node the same as OpenAI transcribe this audio. Oh, is there actually? I didn't know. I don't think I realized that. Is there a Whisper node specifically? Ah man. The only problem with switching apps or switching computers. It's gonna make me sign in. All right, all right. Where is my thing here? Not showing that, right? Okay, cool. Where's my password? See if it'll let me log in. Cool. LastPass is getting kind of annoying. They decided that I can't I used to be able to switch between all my different Thank you. Thanks for my password. Appreciate that. Watching out for me. Any chance you can get it unstarred? That would help a lot. When I copy paste it, it just goes in as stars, so it doesn't work. All right, we'll create a quick workflow here. Is there an OpenAI node? Turn manually, or a Whisper node? Whisper. Oh, maybe it just means like calling the API, I guess. Does the OpenAI transcribe this audio node the same as Whisper? Or it's using a different model to preferably use the API, but my transcription output seems different to this Whisper one, no timestamps, etc. Okay. There are options, I think, for how to do that, so that is also part of it. Let's see. Where's the Whisper API? Timestamps. There we go. Okay, that's what I thought. Word level. Oh, the API doesn't natively do word level timestamps, but default JSON, you can achieve this by words timestamps equals true. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. Is the chat showing up? Yeah, chat showing up. We're good, right? We're good. It's a busy morning today. Got some activity. Okay, we're gonna answer this question. It's a different model. I don't know actually if they've changed the Whisper model or not. The OpenAI Whisper API should be the same as the one that you can run, download and run. But you may need to provide some extra parameters to get the API to return turn the timestamps if it's not returning them by default. Cool, cool, cool. Okay. Question answered. YouTube's all caught up. 39 subscribers. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Yeah, I guess that's where the spreadsheet was going to come in. I could track the numbers as we go. Where's my analytics? Audience. Last 7 days. Up 23. Yeah, I'll take it. Oh wait, subscribers. There we go. 1, 2, 5. Got a bunch on Monday. 4. Yeah, nice. Cool. Slowly but surely. Each one of your subscriptions counts. Your subscription matters. Good deal. Good deal. Okay, cool. Well, I got the brand stats here. I haven't really been paying attention to Twitch at all. 16 followers. Sweet. I'll take that. I'll take that. 2 subs. One of the subscribers is here now. Mr. Naj himself. And then yeah, an X I need to work on. I've had an X profile for forever. X profile sucks. I have 87 followers. Yeah, I gotta fix this. I got some more links to add here, so we got some work to do there. Is it cool to like link to your Skool on this? Probably don't want to do that. Bam, bam. All right, good stuff. Good stuff. I don't really want to show my email. Yeah, so then brands and automations. I was gonna kind of look at this article. I think I can show it. The AI bubble that everybody's talking about. Where is OBS? There we go. Yes, that one just like decided to stop working. Although it's basically right here. I think, yeah, this guy was talking about it. Hot take. This week on X is AI bubbles popping. 10 days away from the complete opposite. Nice. I like it. Yeah, that's true. That's probably true. Everything, it always cycles back and forth. We're gonna AI's over, it's done, close it up, we lost, and then something will happen, and then it's like, all right, we're so back. We're so back. AI is back. But the article my buddy sent me is actually kind of crazy. American professors are fighting back against AI and onslaught. Can I show this? I can probably show this, right? It's like free promotion. The kerning on your title image is bugging me. JA star. Wait, where? On what? Kerning on the title image. Oh, on X. I know. I was gonna change that actually. I don't really like that one anyway. But oh yeah, weird. Yeah, I think it's that font. It's a red hat. Oh, yeah, weird. Did it censor that? Can't put my name in there. Don't dox me, bro. Don't dox me. But yeah, no, I was actually just thinking like I need to change this anyway. Like I mean, you know, I need to have links to my stuff as much as possible. Oh, really? Whoa, weird. Weird. So not yeah, wait, yeah, so it didn't censor it. I know it censored it in Twitch, right? Not the Twitch chat. Weird. Stop sending inappropriate things. Not on your end? Oh, weird. I don't know. Doesn't like it. Does it? Hang on. Let me see the. Let me see if what's it called? Mod view cared about it at all. I don't think it's telling me anything about it. I don't think it seems to care. That's really weird. I don't know. Sorry, Mr. Naj. Doesn't like your chat messages. Wife is just a bad word. I guess so. Oh, maybe. Yeah, weird. Maybe it was picking that up. That is like trying not to dox me. Okay, so you tried to spell out the whole thing, and then it cut it off. Yeah, weird. I don't know. Well, I'll fix my profile banner, and then we won't have this issue anymore. You don't have to message about it anymore. But thank you for the feedback. I was actually it's funny. I actually just looked at it last night and I was like, man, I need to fix that. Oh, he's sending me secret DMs on the side. Oh yeah, whoa, yeah, weird. Was totally fine for you. Super weird. I don't know, man. No one understands the mysteries of Twitch. Feedback police duties always on deck. I appreciate it. Someone's got to keep me honest. So yeah, thank you for your contribution. What would we do without you? This is kind of crazy though, because like yesterday there was like no X activity, and then put the right term in, and then you can. I think we gotta SEO hack some X, and we're good to go. Especially hot topics like AI bubbles. Oh man, X people will come flying, ready to chat, ready to tell me how stupid I am. It's gonna be great. I lost my. Where was that? There we go. Oh, never mind. Yeah, he didn't actually link to the article. I was wondering if he was going to link to the article that Mr. Jugs also linked to. I was going to go over that for a minute, and then actually build some automations. Like, how about that? I need to do a Monday.com webhook, so we're going to do that as well. I think try to figure out how to do that. Except that I think I might have done that on my other computer, so it's going to be hard to get back to all the my test setup. I'm going to have to recreate my test setup, but we can probably do it on the fly. I'll have to figure out how to log into my Monday.com account, which I think I can still get into right now. Yeah, I have to figure this out. It's the only problem with like switching back and forth. This is where I need a Mac Mini, and then everything could just be on one computer, and then I don't have to like worry about it. I can just remote in, get everything I need. Actually, probably not. It would still be the same boat. Streaming from this thing and not the Mac Mini. Anyway, what do we got? What do we got? Yeah, and I think I can show this. We'll see. Mostly it was just like the one stat that we were talking about last night that's kind of blowing my mind. All right. Best views on Streamboo. Streamboo still kicking. I kind of want to go to Streamboo just to see like what's going on. Got me curious. Bye, rough hatred. Thanks. Is it worth clearing the chat? I don't think. I think we're just gonna let it float up, let it float into obscurity. Otherwise, I have to like start over. Remove the space at. So is that like is that the promo code to like give this bot his credit for spamming? I was out here hustling. All right. Go back to OBS real quick. Peter, you don't even want to see what's going on behind behind the scenes here. It's a complete mess. All right. Where is that? Why do I have two? Oh man, crap. There we go. All right. Cancel. Change this one real quick. There we go. That's the one we want. Okay. Blood in the machine. Good suggestion, Yugs. I haven't read the whole thing, but definitely interesting for sure. Although actually, before I get into it too much, do a quick break. Need a quick chair stream, so enjoy. Nice. Yeah, we could bait out a Molson emote. I'm also glad that NVIDIA broadcast picks up my chair. Would have been sad if it would cut it out. Pay good money for this Secret Labs chair. Needs to be featured on the stream. Also, this bad boy's like, this thing is old. I think I got this thing in like 2018, 2017. I've had this thing for a long time. 7 years. It's still going. The leather's finally looking a little rough from sitting on it for a while. But hashtag not sponsored. Yeah, exactly. This is legit. Yeah, I mean, yeah. They sent me free leather cleaner or whatever one time because that was supposed to be like the referral because I think Mr. Yuggs is in here now. I forget somebody I referred to stream or Secret Labs, and then I later asked for a referral, and they sent me they sent me my free referral gift of some leather cleaner. So yeah, but that's it. That's all I've done. I would definitely be sponsored by Secret Labs. Good chairs, good stuff. Get a little affiliate action going. That'd be awesome. But yeah, I don't know. I wasn't gonna do the whole. I know that's like the meta right now in tech is that you just read articles, right? This is what I'm supposed to do. So was debating doing that. So but I might just kind of gloss through it. Mostly, I just wanted to find that stat that something crazy like, I mean, yeah, $4 trillion valuation is insane. Critical AI report. It's a lot of stuff. AI boom reaches new heights. That's what we're doing here. We're here to boom some AI. Just a year after Microsoft reached $3 trillion valuation, company first cracked $1 trillion in April. That's crazy, actually, of 2029 or 2019. Follow some videos. Yeah, NVIDIA's $4 trillion valuation club. That's insane. Yeah, it's sure insane to these numbers. There are 9 $1 trillion tech companies: Google, Amazon, Meta, Apple. That's kind of insane. $4 trillion company in the process in less than a year. Yeah, that's actually insane. Second source of Microsoft's new investor enthusiasm, like NVIDIA, Microsoft seems to be primarily benefiting from the AI boom. Notably, its biggest client is OpenAI. Yeah. Third, Microsoft and NVIDIA are benefiting from bona fide historic levels of investment. Yeah. Cites the investment program. Spending on AI infrastructure has exceeded spending on telecom, internet infrastructure from .com boom. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I mean, I'm sure there's more money now, so it could definitely spend more than they spent on telecom. Despite tariffs, the spending on IT structure is so big that it's actually sort of private sector stimulus program. Yeah, that makes sense. Contributed more to growth in the U.S. economy in the past 2 quarters than all. That was what. Like that's a crazy fact that spending on AI contributed more to the U.S. economy in the past 2 quarters. So like less than half a year, and it's more than all consumer spending. I mean, like that makes sense that like human beings can only spend so much, but companies can spend hundreds of billions of dollars. So I don't know. That was mostly like the craziness. So it's like I could definitely see bubble talk with that kind of thing. Like that's nuts. That's nuts. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money being thrown around by like fake money that is just being traded by companies. It's not actually like producing anything besides API calls. So yeah, that's kind of insane. That's yeah. There we go. Our last 6 months, capital expenditures on AI, counting just information processing equipment and software, added more to the growth of the U.S. economy than all consumer spending combined. Just pull any of those quotes out. Spending on IT for AI is so big, it might be making up for economic losses from tariffs, serving as a private sector stimulus program. Yeah, it's kind of crazy. Yeah, I definitely can see the bubble rationale there. That's like insane. Who's texting me? Oh yeah. Cool. Um, yeah, interesting. Yeah, so yeah, I was gonna say, so that's also kind of assuming that the numbers are right, but I mean, they might be. They might be. Much as these massive valuations feel fishy, Ed for his thoughts on Microsoft's $4 trillion earnings report. Microsoft broke out Azure revenue for the first time in history, yet has not updated their annualized revenue for AI since January 29th, 2025. Things go well. Why are they not providing these numbers? Yeah, interesting. Okay, so they're just kind of like lumping it all together. But man, we're getting into profit talk though. That also concerns me. It's like you're working backwards. You're like you want the answer of AI boom, so now you're going to find all the ways to get to that answer, as opposed to looking at things objectively. That's also my a little bit of my concern. But that doesn't change that these numbers are huge. Like these are crazy numbers, and I could definitely see how uh, more AI spending than humans can spend, which is kind of unbelievable. $10 billion of Azure revenue is open ass compute cost, paid at cost, meaning no profit, maybe even loss for Microsoft. Yeah, that's also insane. All right, yeah, let's have no idea what's going to happen next, but if AI investment's so massive, quite actually help. Yeah, yeah. I mean, it does seem it's a little bit like the housing market, where it's I don't know, just shuffling around numbers to create what feels like stability. Interesting, interesting. Prospect of any serious economic downturn, widespread push of mass automation. Hey, there's the keyword. We're here for that. We're here for that automation. Executing a campaign of repression, prosecution of precarious manual and skilled laborers. Make it all split up and make us all sit up and pay attention. For sure. That's why you can't beat them, join them. It's time to start automating. let's let's see. Maybe I can find. I was gonna say then you go the other direction and see if I can get to that. It's funny because I saw it and then I saw somebody else post it as well. Let's see. I have to like play back all the activity I did yesterday so I can remember where I found this thing. I think I was looking at the HTMX account. Got sidetracked. Where's HTMX? All right. Let me switch back to that window. That one? Yeah, there we go. Well, it's super weird. I can't remember why. I was thinking about this yesterday. I was like, yeah, man, I forgot about. I don't know. I think someone was talking about Java and like old school programming and stuff, and it made me think about Sun Microsystems because I remember I was being in a computer lab at Purdue that was a Sun Microsystems lab, which is crazy. Like something doesn't even exist anymore. Consumed by uh, the Oracle machine. And this guy is nice. There we go. Powered by Sun Microsystems. Where was his post? Man, this guy is like, there we go. This is cracking me up. It was this one? Maybe never mind. I think it was actually recommended. All right, I'm gonna have to manually find it, but this guy is like the king of meme posting. It's a whole nother level. It's like a full-time job. It's pretty impressive. All right, where was that? There it is. Uh, On the opposite of being over automated and AI taking over everything, then then you get this one. What's the point of vibe coding if I still have to pay a dev to fix it? Engineers are back. We're so back. This is great. I kind of want to see what that post, what kind of traction that post has on Reddit. Let's see. .com first, what is it? Slash vibe coding. Of course. That's awesome. It's got Rick Rubin on there. Let's see. I bet that was probably recent. Top this week. I bet. Cursor deletes vibe coder's whole database. Woo. Oh man. This is a good one too. All right, here you go. Let me pull this back up. I have too many windows open. Okay. This one. Yeah, there we go. All right. So Cursor deletes vibe coder's whole database. Delete my whole database? I sincerely apologize. Yes, I made a serious mistake. Oh, nice. It migrated Prisma. Oh no. Dropped entire database and recreated it from scratch. Oh man. Vibing too hard. I've been there. I understand. That's rough though. That's really rough. What I should have done was warn you about the data loss implications. Ask for your permission. Ouch. That sucks. That sucks a lot. And then yeah, I was gonna see what this vibe coded a whole app, and it's live. The stupid simple to-do app you actually use. Just complain about all the stuff you have to get done. It listens and adds everything to your list. Magically categorizes your to-do. I mean, hey, can't go wrong with that. Oh yeah, no, there's definitely a there's a Skool community that's just all gifs and memes, and somehow he's making like yeah yeah exactly. Well, I mean, I forget. Somebody probably has the thing where it's like it used to be like 4chan. 4chan was the source. Was like, and then I know, man, I need to upgrade to a LinkedIn stream. We'll get there. We'll get there. That'll be soon. But it was like the cycle was like 4chan, and then 4chan would get posted to Reddit, then Reddit would eventually make it to Facebook, and like that was usually, you know, Reddit was like a week behind 4chan, and 4chan, and then Facebook was like a month behind Reddit, so that they could like track it. But I think at this point it's all kind of mixed. It's all kind of tied together. It's either Reddit or Reddit X, not Facebook. Facebook's not the source of anything. LinkedIn will be the one now that's like a month behind. You just have to like businessy cross post, and then you're good to go. Anyway, yeah, but yeah, exactly. It was here's the Reddit post that got posted to X. What's the point of vibe coding? I still have to pay a dev to fix it. This is pretty good. At the end of the day, I still got to pay a dev to look at the code anyway. Sure, it feels kind of cool while I'm typing, like I'm in some sort of flow state or whatever, but when stuff breaks, it's just dead weight. Can't vibe my way through debugging. I can't ship anything that actually matters. And I'm back to square one, pulling out my wallet for someone who actually knows what they're doing. Makes me think vibe coding is just role play for guys who want to feel like hackers without doing the hard part. Missing something here, is it just useless once you step outside the fantasy? It's pretty great. Oh, it reminds me of it's like Hacker Typer. Is it hackertyper.net? Yeah, hackertyper.net. Yeah. Oh no, is it dead? Yeah, there we go. Nice. We are totally hacking now. Well, I feel like there's a huge opportunity here for actual vibe coding. Just use some AI to like generate some stuff. Pretty good though. That's basically what Cursor is, the new version of Hacker Typer. Vibe debug, vibe refactor, vibe check. Vibe coding is all fun and games, so you have to vibe. Yeah. yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. I don't know. It hits home. I mean, I chatted with Molson about this what, 2 weeks ago, or just like I hit a hard stop where I could not vibe my way out of the issue. Like it cannot figure out what the problem is, and I had to go back and actually be a programmer again and figure out the problem on my own. Which being a programmer usually just means like, okay, so I just commented out all the code and then slowly added back in the code until I found where the problem was. So real advanced stuff here. You can't debug out console log it enough, then just remove it. Oh no. These promoted are sneaky. They're really subtle. They always look like pretty real ones. Whoa, that's kind of crazy. GPT-5 helped Vibe code a BIOS patch for old Pentium SBC. I don't know what SBC is, but that sounds cool. Yeah. You didn't vibe code an entire app unless you were mid-level, mid-senior level coder to begin with. I vibe coded my app. Click here. Example. Nice. I see a lot of zero YOE, 0-year developers here crying because they think it's actually possible to vibe code a production grade level application. Yeah, man. I mean, that's kind of where I was feeling too. It's like you can vibe code your way into like a website, but you get beyond that and kind of be in trouble. Vibe coded and launched this in 24 hours. People are already using on X. Nice. $0 been deposited in your account. Keep grinding, bro. Stripe wants to know, are you still there? Nice. What is this? What is this? This is pretty good, actually. What do we got? Tool to create fake. Oh yeah, exactly. Like this is actually what it is. Yeah, this is that. There we go. Exactly. This is what vibe coding was really made for. Being able to make fake toasts. Pretty good. Ooh, getting called out on his fight on his Stripe logo. That's pretty cool. I respect this. I respect this. Good stuff. Yeah, this stuff's kind of crazy. I mean, it seemed like GPT-5 could do this kind of thing. Gemini sometimes can do this kind of thing. Sometimes Grok too. So there's definitely some possibility there for sure. I vibe coded an app and it hasn't crashed in production yet. There we go. App Store Connect. Yeah, that's like a legit app. Nice. 1K users after 3 days vibe coding. I mean, I guess I probably should be. Ooh, nice promo there. Probably should be posting in something like this, so it's probably a good idea. Vibe design. That looks legit. How long is this video? Good lord. I don't know though. I'm like the design ones are tough because I mean GPT cursor. I mean cursor's a little wild for me still. Like sometimes it works, but I don't know. They're gonna get to the point that's like you just use one of those models and they'll just fix it for you. That's cool though. That looks legit. Hey, Space Grotesque. I recognize that font. Been using that font a lot. Use ChatGPT to write about your app? I won't try it. Fair enough. Got to the end. Journal app. Oracle Journal. Went live today on the App Store. Very proud of me. That's cool. That's cool. All right, maybe I have to post my vibe coded app. Show these guys what's up, how to build a real app, and further enforce I vibe coded, but I also have like, a little bit of engineering experience. So wasn't totally just vibe coded. All right. We did our social media cycle, red stuff. How's the Upwork project going? Yeah, actually that's what I was gonna work on today. Pretty good so far. So yeah. Nice segue. Good timing, Naj. Appreciate the assist there. Let me hide that one. Back to vibe coding. Yeah. And Am I logged into this one? I think I had that running on my local system, unfortunately. So I'm gonna have to see if I can get that rebuilt. But yeah, I need to. He was wanting some help with Monday.com, so just like another CRM, and I'm just gonna see if I can do that. Monday.com. He wanted some webhooks for triggering triggering on status. So like if he changes the status of something, then want to be able to move things to another group. So let me log in here and see. There we go. If I can get back to my board. It looks like it's believing me. Nice. There we go. All right. So got a Prime sub too, by the way. Oh man. Yeah, for sure. I need to get those added. Oh, Drive Stars. Oh, nice. Thank you. And Mr. Jugs. Thank you, Mr. Jugs. Thanks, dudes. Didn't even catch that. Yeah, I thought I had the notifications built into OBS here, but I guess clearly I don't. So let's see. Where is Logitech stream? Yeah, there we go. Okay. Can I just like copy that? Stream elements alert. Where am I? Cam screen. There we go. I totally forgot to add that on there. Good call. Good call. What is that? Browser? Oops. Do a quick transform here. Transform center. Center horizontally. There we go. There we go. All right. And I can log into stream elements. I think I can play those back, right? Vibe code some stream element commands for me. Yeah, there we go. It's just a feedback, so I'm using some godforsaken Google sheet somewhere. That's not genius. See, you are a vibe coder at heart. This is good stuff. This is really good stuff. Stream elements. All right, let me see if I can see if this will work. I'm pretty sure I have a stream elements account. Man, is it bad that I just have gotten in the habit of just like, yeah, accept all, whatever. I'll take your cookies. I don't care. Okay, so I'll log in with my Twitch account, which I'm already logged in with. Yeah, there we go. Sweet. And then I can replay alerts, I think, right? Activity feed. Does that work? Got it at the top, so that should work. Here, let me pull this over here. Whoa, I have 9 sponsorship opportunities waiting here. Doesn't seem like it's working. That could be a problem. There's like nothing here. So yeah. I'm just gonna keep replaying Jugs's notification. Oh, it's the wrong account. Okay, that would explain it. Okay, that makes sense. Let's see. Can I add that real quick? Overlays. Just need an alert box, right? Is there like a quick alert box I could use? Or we'll just vibe code an alert box real quick. Elements, right? Elements? Is that what I want? New element? Anybody got a free alert box for me? Oh man, it's been a minute. Now they got all these AI ones. Cool, cool, cool. That's not bad. Twitch charity. Hype alert box. How about that? Let's do that. I think that'll work. Cool. Publish. Doing it live. Doing it live. Let's see if it works. Dashboard, please. Okay. Or just log me out. That's cool. Do what you need to do. Stream elements. Bruh, what happened? Why are you not logging me in? Oh, man. All right, fine. I don't know. I killed stream elements. It's dead now. It won't let me log in. Oh, man. Why is everything a pain? Log in, please. I don't know. It's maybe because I tried to use a different account. It's like bugging out now. Weird. Yeah, what is going on here, guys? I cannot get into Stream Elements now. It just like won't log in. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Okay. Like it's just spinning. It just won't let me log in. Did my internet go out? Is my stream dead? What is happening? It just won't go to the dashboard. It's dead. Well, I guess we're not doing alerts today. I killed it. I killed stream elements. All right. Well, whatever. Thank you very much for the prime subs, though, guys. Definitely appreciate it. And the follow. Drive star with the follow. Prime sub from the Jugs. Much appreciated, guys. Super awesome. Now back to the seriousness. If I can't log into Stream Elements. That's so weird. I don't know what happened. What happens if I delete this? Oh, wait, crap. I didn't want to change this one anyway. Whoops. Messed that up. So I don't know if I changed this one. Did I end up changing that? This is what you get for doing things on the fly. All right, cancel. Weird. All right. Yeah, weird. It's just not loading. Yeah, I'll try it again later. All right. So what I needed to do was actually do. So he basically wanted a webhook that would look for the status change on this, and then like drop this down to closed. So let's see. I'm gonna actually change that. So okay, dude. All right. Customize status column. I'm gonna add a closed. Closed. And then these can be closed now. Say status closed. And then yeah, I guess we're gonna use init to do that. So I need a webhook. How do I Monday.com webhook? Can I do that? Am I allowed to? Connected to mirrors. Item is created. Status changes to something. Notify someone. There we go. All right. Invoiced. Notify. Okay. Just gonna send a message. Let's see. Monday.com webhook. How do we do that? Okay. So if we go to do a webhook, test URL, sure. Do a get. Okay. And then we need to do Monday.com. I guess we don't actually need the activity after that. But if we go to integrations, more integrations. We just set up a webhook. Do they have just like general webhooks? There we go. Any column changes, send a webhook. Yeah. When a status changes to something, hey, there we go. Let's do that. Webhook URL. Okay. Just grab that. It's not return the requested challenge. Okay. Oh wait, hang on. Yeah. Test. You wait, and then go. No. Seems pretty straightforward, right? Maybe I'm missing something. Oh, it probably should be a post. Okay. Add a webhook node as your entry point. Set the HTTP method to post. Give it a path. Monday.com status. Let the workflow handle the incoming posts. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I guess I'm sending the webhook from. All right, all right. Stop listening. Stop. There we go. Is it not going to stop listening? Dude, internet's weird sometimes. Stop, please. Stop listening. Okay, cool. We're doing a post, and what is the webhook route from money.com? Let's see. Let's see. Look for webhooks app. Select the webhook recipe of your choosing. Provide the URL that will receive the event payload, and you're ready to start using a webhook. I mean, seems pretty straightforward. URL to send the webhook to. Verification request will be first sent with a challenge parameter that needs to be responded or returned as a response. Yeah, so should just be that, right? I mean, I guess we can change the say Monday status. It's a little more readable. And then do that. This for test event and go. Okay, and then oh yeah, we need the challenge, I guess, right? So yeah, nice. Okay. So what do they want? Node parameters have changed. Test node again to refresh. Well, yeah, I don't need to do that yet. Okay, so then what's the challenge we need to do here? So Monday.com sends a verification challenge when setting up the webhook. Add an if node in init end. Check if the incoming JSON has a challenge field. Okay, sure. If oh yeah, there we go. Is there a challenge? Yeah, there it is. Nice. I'll just say is not empty. True. Then what do you want me to do after that? If yes, respond with the same challenge to confirm ownership. Ah, okay. So then post back, I guess. Not patch. Post. Is that what that means? Okay. Ah, okay. So if it's true, gotcha. So then, yeah, I guess we post back to the same thing with body challenge, and then whatever the challenge value is. Crap. This isn't gonna work. Stop. Stop. Oh, is it good? So I think it worked. Listen for test event. Then I don't know. Do that. Does that work? Where did this go? Update feed. Cool, cool, cool. Skip that. Don't need that. Integrations. Do I have like my existing integrations? Where are those at? Manage. Slowly but surely. Slowly adding or loading, I guess. What is happening, man? None of the websites are working today. I killed the internet. integrate, more integrations, manage. Okay, cool. So what happened there? What was run history? Thought I had an automation. That's weird. All right, so we're doing a webhook. Status changes to something. Connect. Oh, I forgot to save. Whoops. Yeah, crap. All right, post. And then Monday status. Cool. And then this guy should be able to see this guy go. Return the request challenge. Yeah, no, that's fair. That's cool. Yep, good. Then if challenge is not empty, step, then we're good. Yeah, if we're not empty, then we will do something here. Otherwise, if it's not empty, then we need to return it back. So if it's not empty, then we need to do HTTP posts. Post it back. That one. Oh yeah. Hang on, predefined probably. Then we do our Monday.com credentials. Auth 2. Nope. Auth. Monday.com API. That could be an issue. Yeah, that's right. I have to connect my Monday.com. Whoops. Okay. All right. I have to go figure that out. So I'll be right back. In the meantime, enjoy a chair stream. Maybe get some more coffee. Hey, cheers. Oh, weird. The overlay is like really behind. Wonder what happened with that. Weird. Maybe that's why the other, why the stream elements was freaking out too. Chair stream. Cheers. How goes it today, Molson? What's up with you? Okay, so can we test the workflow? Let's resolve outstanding issues. Resolve outstanding issues. Oh man, God, it's annoying. N8N is kind of annoying sometimes. All right, GPU request. Who? Not patch. Post. And there we go. Cool. And then, oh yeah, no, just 5.5 hours of straight meetings. I thought you joined the group that doesn't have meetings anymore. I thought you were above this now. What's going on, man? Has the dream shattered? The dream is gone. Zing. Oh, that's right. I need to add my Monday.com credentials. A weird anomaly. All right, all right. Well, I mean, that'll happen. That'll happen. I mean, you are still part of a corporate structure, so meetings are not. They're still around. This time, exactly. I mean, it's probably, I don't know, probably better to have like just all your meetings at once instead of having to spread them out every day. Just push through and deal with all of them in a day, and then you're good. Then you're over it. Swallow the frog, as they say. All right, I'm gonna figure out my credentials real quick. Is this Stream Elements working? Can I actually log into Stream Elements now? Hey, decided to work now. Weird. All right, back to vibe coding, eh? Create new credential. And how did I do that? I know I set up my Monday.com integration. Where is that? Admin? Apps? No. Security connections. There we go. Personal API token. There we go. Man, it's nice when things just work. Send challenge. Oh wait, this is not gonna work again. Oh no, 6 days left of my trial. I'm gonna run out of money.com time. Invoice board, integrate. More integrations. Is that right? I don't know. It's being weird. Webhook test. Oh wait, that's not right. That's not right. Test slash Monday dash status. Okay. Oh wait, no, that's correct. Okay, that's the right one. Struggling a little bit here. All right. Save, I guess. Oh, that worked. What is happening? All right, listen for tests. Innated's not picking up this webhook for some reason. Don't need it to return the challenge yet. Or yeah, I'm trying to set it up to return the challenge, but it doesn't seem to want to do that. But something succeeded here, so I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. Okay, so we got something there. Where's my challenge? Challenge. Okay. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Now I can pass the challenge back. Challenge. Whoops. The name is challenge. The value is challenge. Okay. And then we need to send something back. All right, missing something here. This time it's different. Wait, why would I need to, why would I need to send a challenge back? Oh, that makes sense. Ugh. Missing something here. Missing something here. Let's see. How do we respond back? Oh, respond to webhook node? I didn't realize that was a thing. Is that a thing? That might be what I'm missing here. Oh, yeah, I'm showing X. You are correct. You are correct. All right. There we go. Okay. I think respond to webhook. How about that? There's actually a node for that. Okay. Verify the webhook's node's response parameter is set to using respond to webhook node. Okay. Verify that the webhook node's respond parameter. Using respond to. Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay. Cool. Learn something new every day. So, JSON, all incoming items, first incoming item, text, redirect to a given URL, respond, no data. Yeah, I guess just JSON. And then we'll do challenge. And then the value will be the challenge. And I want to post it at the bottom. Yeah, good job. Good job. In. That's exactly what I wanted. There we go. Test. Node executed. Are you happy? Probably timed out. All right, let's try this again, I guess. Cool. So test workflow. And now connect. Hey, there we go. We got it. We got it. Okay. Webhook is finally connected. Okay, so when a status, what do I want to say? I want to say when, yeah, status changes to invoiced, send a webhook, create automation. Cool. Okay. Status changed to invoice, send a webhook. Yeah. So that's good. And then I think we just change this bad boy to production URL. Oh, they got me. Got me with that one. Webhook test. Webhook. I don't know. Can I just turn this on? Okay, so I have to do this again, but for the other automate one. Can I update automation? Can I change? Yeah, there we go. Can I change that URL is the question here. They got me. They got me good. I don't think so. I'm gonna have to probably create a new one. That's annoying. All right, so delete that one. Or yeah, create. We'll just create from scratch. And status changes to something. Webhook. Webhook. Send. I don't know what's going on. Create from template. Webhooks. All right. So when a status changes something, use template. Let's do that. Oh, interesting. Is that the scope of? Is it? That's just that one though. So delete that one. Of course not. Okay, cool. Yeah, let's delete it, and then use the real one. Production URL. Copy. Paste. Test. Always test in production. Hey, there we go. All right. So now stats changes. Let's change it to invoiced. Send a webhook. Create. Yeah, that'll work. That'll work. Create automation. And this guy can be deleted. Why is that still waiting to trigger? It already worked. And it ends happy, or Monday.com's happy. Why is this being mad? Status changes to invoice, send a webhook. Sure. So then if I do this, this guy all good. Production URL. So if I change this back to working on it and then do invoiced. I think it succeeded. 11:28. Or no, that was earlier. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. What do I want it to do now? I want it to do something because we responded to the webhook correctly. Now we just need to do stuff. So, Danilo, good morning. How's it going, man? I was trying to think. I guess what was my goal here? Oh, I guess this was actually to kick off creating the invoiced status. So what it was going to do is actually update, or not update, but is going to generate the. Doing great. That's awesome, man. Glad to hear that. Glad to hear that. What are you up to today? How'd your client? You had some client calls yesterday. How'd those go? Okay. So then for this, the flow would be. I did get a haircut. Yep. That was the plan. I did bail on the stream yesterday to go get a haircut. Wasn't sure if I was going to have a meeting yesterday either, but that didn't happen. But calls went very well. Awesome, man. That's good to hear. Your financial modules going well. But yeah, this flow needs to. It actually needs to create an invoice document based on the status changing. So that's really what should be happening. But I guess we're just going to do something here. We're going to go to Monday.com and get the item. Does this include the item? This probably should. I don't know what that webhook data included. I don't think it included the item. So I guess it's just the fact that like something happened. Then we go to Monday.com and get the board. Get that board. Get a board. Board name is invoice board. Test. So I change the status to invoice. That should trigger it. I guess not sure I'm understanding what's going on here. So it wants me to have both. Do I need to set up the test webhook and the regular? So I guess create a new automation from templates, webhooks, status change. Use another account. Just do this one too. It's like, I guess I need to have two connections. That's what I'm not totally understanding, but I guess if that works, let's do it. Failed to communicate. Good, good, good. Okay, cool. So then, wait, so what happened there? That should have seen that there was a body challenge, right? There's a challenge here, okay. And does this include, this isn't, yeah, this is just the webhook, so it's not including like what's happening. Why did that fail? That should not have failed. Respond to webhook. Right? Oh, yeah, because I didn't run the whole thing. Okay, so then save. And I guess we'll try that again. Cool. Thanks for totally backing out of that system. All right, one more time. Webhooks. When a status change, let's do that. There's another one. Do our test. Test workflow. And connect. Yeah, there we go. Cool. Okay. Status change to invoiced. Create automation. All right, so this guy happy now? Can we do, if I change status back from invoiced to working on it, will it webhook? Go. Ah, there we go. Okay. Why did it fail to run? Nice. So then I can turn off the test one. No way. Did that work? 34? Is that right now? No, 36 is when we went. Yeah. Wait. I guess it worked. Cool. Let's see. I'm going to create a new spreadsheet, I guess. As Naj pointed out earlier, some going to drop the result into some godforsaken Google Sheet somewhere, as is the norm for all innate and automations. Yeah, we'll just throw this in here. Invoice updates. And then, I don't know. It's going to track something. I don't know what it is. Kind of a pain because I can't actually get to the data for this stuff. So, oh yeah, I can. All right, cool. Nice. ID. There we go. That'll work. ID. Name. What else we got on here? Sure. Board kind, public owners. State, I guess will work. That'll work. Just some values to make sure that something's actually happening. Okay, then go back to the editor and then add Google Sheets, append a row to invoice updates. Sheet 1. Map automatically. Do your thing, bro. Do your thing. Okay, so then we do invoiced. Automation's running. Automation was complete. Spreadsheet did not update, so didn't do anything. Executions. Oh, I probably should save it. That would probably help. That would probably help. All right, so not working on it. Let's get it invoiced. Should automate. Hey, nice. We got some data. Oh yeah, I probably should have shown that. It's working. It's working. What are we building? Right now, I need to set up a webhook from Monday.com to go into N8N. So rather than having a schedule trigger, which I had the guy start on a schedule trigger that just runs like 4 times a day, but he's just like, yeah, it's like it'd be kind of nice if it could actually trigger off of like statuses changing. So we finally got Monday.com webhook to work so that if you change the status in Monday.com, it will do stuff in here. And it just, I mean, in this case, I just wanted something to happen. So it's going to add a row. But yeah, so I have a webhook now that if I change the status on this item, it should be automatically listening. And then it should go ahead and grab the Monday.com board data and then throw it into a spreadsheet. So that's what's going to hopefully happen here. So if I change that to invoiced, we're going to see automation's running. It was completed and should hopefully get another row here, unless it writes it the same. Yeah, there we go. So it writes another row to the sheet. So pretty straightforward. It just did the webhook trigger and then grabbed the Monday.com data, threw it in a spreadsheet. So nice. I haven't actually done too much with the webhooks. I was kind of avoiding it just because of that. It's like kind of a pain. Like unless you really need responsive triggers like that. You know, I'd rather just do a cron job and just let it run like a few times a day. So that was my initial pitch. Let's see, schedule trigger. So I just did like a custom cron, like, all right, let's run this, you know, every day, Monday through Friday. Monday to Friday at 9, noon, 3, 6. So that was my initial proposal, but it was just like, yeah, it'd be nice if like people could do stuff and it would just respond to people changing things. So I was like, all right, fair enough. So so that's what's going to happen next. So it's like, I'll figure out a webhook and we'll do that instead. Yeah, I don't have the workflow. I think unfortunately I built the workflow on my local N8N on my laptop, so I don't have it on here. So I have to go save that workflow. But it's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool setup. I mean, I guess it's actually the one that I made a video about. So wait, where's my YouTube channel? How do I do this? It was this one. So this is kind of the workflow right now, where it will grab stuff from Monday.com and then it generates the invoice document based on some values from Monday.com, and then it fills out a spreadsheet template. So which I guess that I can show because I do have that document. So essentially, we're going to be doing something like that, where when you change the status in Monday.com, it'll grab these values and then it'll go fill in these values, and then it'll create a PDF out of that and then reattach it to look like this. look like an actual document. Fit document. Supposed to fit document. Didn't quite fit the document. Fit document? No? Okay. Anyway, so cool. That was kind of my goal for the stream, was to get the N8N webhook working. So conductor, hello. Yeah. Reminder of I need to get my emojis updated. Is that what it is? Emojis? I can't think of what they're called. Emotes. Need to get my emotes updated. It's a pretty legit tier 1 though for standard nothing. Conductor, you're good at this kind of thing. What kind of emotes should I have for my, I don't know, whatever this is, semi-professional brand? Should still go. It doesn't have to be super, you know, serious, super serious emotes. This is Twitch for well, I guess, I mean, it's Twitch and YouTube and X at the same time. I haven't like figured out my theme, my brand theme, I guess. What would be appropriate emotes? Trying to think who I could look at. Nice. Compile hooray or something like that could be fun for when something compile. Ah, nice. Okay. I like it. Yeah, for success. Yeah, that's true. Do we have like an N8N success emote we could work with here? Executions. There we go. Is there anything on here? Succeeded. Dude, it's like really trying to let me know that the N8N version needs to update. Really, they're gonna make me manage that? Like, I'm paying you guys to host the thing. Don't tell me that I need to update it. 4 months ago. We're on 1.84, which was released 4 months ago. It's 21 versions behind the latest. How do I update my N8N? Content. Dude, you guys manage this for me. You guys update it. Don't tell me that I need to update it. All right. I mean, that'd be kind of cool just by itself. Just a nice little succeeded emote. Wouldn't be so bad. Otherwise, maybe like a little N8N node check mark would be kind of cool. Something like that. What kind of icon would we need with it though? The webhook one's not bad. Scheduled trigger wouldn't be a bad one either. We could definitely use some N8N emotes. That's good. It's a good call. It's a good call. I like the green box. So I'll work with that. That's something to start with. Can always trust you, conductor, for some solid input, branding input. Still waiting for the triumphant return of the conductor. It's been a minute, right? Oh, you subscribed to Prime. Thanks, man. Oh yeah, that's right. I can get into Stream Elements now again. So let's see if I can actually get this thing to work. It did not want to work before. So copy URL and add browser element. Stream elements alert hype CSS. Okay. Does that work? Transform center horizontally. All right, and then activity feed. Maybe they got mad at me for like spamming. Replay activity. Hey, there we go. All right. Thank you for this subscription, conductor. I will take that Prime. That's awesome. Over 2 years now. Oh man, if a game comes around that you want to get in, you might pick it up again. Right on. Nothing. Yeah, no game that's been really pulling you to stream. I've seen you on some stuff. I've seen you online playing some stuff, but nothing that serious yet, huh? All right. Riot fighting game? Really? Oh man, I would check that out. I'm down for a fighting game. I enjoy fighting games. A league streamer. There you go. 2xKO. Is that what it is? That's cool. That's cool. All right. Let's see. Now I can properly. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, nice. So thank you, Drive Stars, for the follow earlier. Much appreciated. We're going back through time now. I think John Naj. We had a follow here from Alejandro, so we're gonna do that. It's a little off center. All right, it's a little off center. Why is it like that? How do we fix that? Let's change that. Oh, is it in Stream Elements itself? Do I need to fix that? Hang on. Molson is now following. Thank you for the follow, Molson. Message animation. So I just need to change like the width of this bad boy. Or we'll just move it over. That's also the easier one. And then yeah, brain damaged. Danilo had the subscribe earlier, so thank you very much for that. Very awesome. And a couple cheers. Cheered some bits yesterday. There we go. There we go. Had the Drive Stars follow. Had the Jugs Prime. Can't go wrong with the Jugs Prime. We're farming. We're farming activity. Farming activity today. And there we go. The Charles subscription. Thank you very much. Good stuff. Awesome. Good stream. Good stream, everybody. I don't know why this chat overlay kind of falls behind. I wonder if it just gets like too laggy and then I can't catch up. But 2xKO, is that what the game's actually called? Nice. Good stuff. There we go. 2v2 fighting game. Man. I mean, I think 3v3 is where it's at. You gotta go Marvel vs. Capcom. Marvel vs. Capcom 2 with the triple team. Game's not even out yet. People already hate it. The internet's a wild place. It's a wild place. Closed beta in September. Nice. Very cool. Oh yeah, there we go. I got into one of Riot's closed betas like way back. I think I got Valorant way back in the day when it was closed beta. Somehow I managed to get into that. See if I can sneak into this one. That'd be fun. That was one of those that like I almost invested in a fight stick at one point, but probably better that I didn't because I haven't touched a fighting game in a long time. I think actually the last one I did was Marvel vs. Capcom. I didn't do Infinite. I was going to, but I just all the reviews are really bad for it, and I just was like, just gonna skip it. Trying to think if there's another one, but I do like a good fighting game, so I'll have to keep an eye on it. Part of League of Legends beta. Yeah, I didn't understand the game at all. Only played for like 10 minutes. Was so confused back in the day. No, for sure. Yeah, definitely. I totally get that. Uh, that's crazy though. That's a long time ago. Just trying to think. I was trying to think what other betas I was in like the Hearthstone beta before that came out. That was pretty cool. I got a closed beta for that. Diablo 4, I got to play that early gameplay for that. That was cool. My 2,000 or 3,000 hours in Diablo finally paid off. Uh, so and so, or quote unquote. I remember my friends having WoW betas back in the day. That was crazy. I wasn't in the WoW beta, but I know one of my friends was. So that was like that was cool. Just early access to something so huge. League of Legends, though, I've only played that. I've probably played like for I don't know, 10 hours or something like that. That's definitely one that I never really have not put a lot of time in. So probably would have been in the same boat. Would have been like, yeah, I don't get it. It's just Warcraft 3, so I'm good. I'll go play Warcraft 3 instead. But yeah, this was it's a good stream. Good stream, everybody. What are you up to, conductor? You just taking a break, or you back to business here in a little bit? How about you, Molson? Are you back to back meetings? You're still in meeting land for a while. Drop my pen. Chair stream. Back to business. Yeah, I think me too. Actually, coming up on 2 hours, which is awesome. So fun times, fun times. Good man. Yeah, glad to hear it. But yeah, I'm gonna need to get an actual YouTube video up. I was messing with that yesterday. I'm still trying to get, still trying to get my clipping system working. So I have a whole tutorial on it, and like the system works pretty well. But I'm still trying to figure out exactly how I want to run that. So, oh, I was not able to create the Discord. Yeah, I can definitely create the Discord. I have a Discord on this account. Whoops. GG. Let me see about that. Yeah, for sure. We can definitely get a Discord going. Hang on a sec. Yeah, cool. Okay, let's see if it'll let me log back into that. Confirm with Discord that I am a human. You log in detected. Please check your email. Cool. That is correct. I am logged in. Hang on. Uh, hide my browser real quick. Full cam? Oh, full cam's not working. Gotta fix my layouts. We're back. All right. Continue. Good, bro? You good? All right. Sure. Ooh, hang on. All right, I gotta change that. Oh, they kicked me out of the Discord. That's funny. Server settings. Okay. Yeah, this will work. Trying to figure out what I want to do with this guy. Gonna have to get some bot moderation going on. I think this will work. All right. Invite people. Do I want? I probably don't want a link that never expires, right? I mean, I guess I could have. I'm gonna. I guess it's probably fine. Probably can expire it at some point. Till there's a problem. Till the Discord gets hacked. I think it makes sense to have two different Discord accounts. Maybe not. I run multiple accounts of everything else. Why not? All right. There you go. We got a Discord Danilo, and then yeah, maybe we'll put that on oh, not profile. I want my community settings, plugins, links. Add a link. Discord. Seems like a good idea, maybe. Join the Discord. Yeah, private's probably good. Oh, I need an emoji. Settings, plugins, links, edit. What kind of emoji do I want? Like a speech one probably. Actually, yeah, chat bubble looks good. That'll work. Start your own school. Join the Discord. Let's do it. There we go, Danilo. We're all set. Got a Discord going. And there's a Molson. Hey, Molson. First. You were first. Good job, man. You guys probably don't even want to see the see my Discord. If I switch accounts real quick. Like every one of my let's see, what can I show? Try not to continue to dox things as I do. First, nice job, Molson. Thank you, buddy. How do I like not show my conversation? There we go. How about the mid journey? Oh man. Oh no, that's a message. Okay. Cool. Cool indeed. Yeah, good call, man. Thanks, Nilo. What am I doing? Looking for a platonic Discord to show as an example. All right. There we go. So now I can go into OBS. Let's add a window capture. Discord. Discord app. How about that? There we go. Discord. I have so many discords. So so why not add one more? Why not become the leader of something else? Anyway, thought you might appreciate that. Way too many discords. But let's do it. Might as well. In true startup iteration fashion, fail fast. Try it, see what breaks. Iterate. All right, this was pretty good. Did some stumbling through some Monday.com webhooks, but we finally got there. Yeah, looked at some social media stuff. Did some automating. Did some brand building, some brand counting. I guess I didn't get into it too much. Like I said, I was working on it yesterday. Man. Speaking of vibe coding, I was trying to vibe code a system that will create those create clips out of the stream because I need to get shorts going. I still haven't done it. It's been a couple weeks now, but yeah, it was struggling a little bit. It was getting better. It actually got to like karaoke style clips, which was pretty good, but it was not understanding the layout. It got close. Like it's not bad. Let's see. Yeah, no, never mind. That one didn't work. But I was vibe coding pretty hard with whatever's auto in Cursor right now. I think it's mostly GPT. That's Cursor's API or Cursor's main deal, but I don't know. Maybe not. They seem to. I don't know. They don't tell you, which still kind of annoys me. They just leave it on auto. It might be in the history as far as like interactions. But anyway, need to start the social media push here soon. So, but the trickle traffic from live stream and stuff has been good. So definitely trying to keep up with that. I feel like it's probably a little more engaged. I guess like people jumping in through streams and stuff. So the streams do seem to get a little bit of traffic. So not bad. But yeah, 2 hours a day is not a bad commitment. I think to try to keep things going. What's today? Today is Wednesday. So yeah, I'll probably be back on tomorrow. Friday is kind of like the optional, I guess. Friday maybe. Probably still try to stick with Fridays too, but main goal is at least try to do Monday through Thursday. Get a few solid days in of streaming. So yeah, this is good. Thanks everybody for coming and hanging out. I appreciate it. Always good to have some chatters. Have some especially to have some activity, some follows, some primes, subscriptions. So thank you very much, guys. Jugs and Conductor. Appreciate it. Pretty awesome, guys. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it for today. So gonna hop off and get some other work done onto the next project. But yeah, I'll probably be on tomorrow morning. Danilo, thanks again. Enjoy the Discord now that we got that going. I'll switch back over there real quick. Got a Molson first in there. And a Naj. There we go. With mod requests. Yeah, well, we will need some mods, so we'll do some mods in there. Let's see what we can do. I'll have to set that up. So yeah, we'll get that going. But awesome, guys. Well, thanks, guys. I'll probably be on tomorrow, and I will see you then. Thank you, Danilo. Catch you later, man. See ya.